pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind. If I put it quite plainly, just give me the baby. So what you doing tonight? But I said doing you right. Watching movies. These feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away from cheese, peach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is the images that we play. Sit right next to you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. We do what we want. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. Kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Simone. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, thank you for tuning in again. We are doing another vlog. This is more of a productive vlog because lately I've been really trying to exit my lazy girl era. I'm trying to like get up, get in the gym, get my steps in, eat better, get out the house more, have a little bit more fun. And I think I'm gonna make this a series because it is a journey and it is ongoing. So I'm excited for this vlog series. I hope you guys like it. More to come. I'm going to try to post every week. I am going to post a video every week or at least 2 times every week. But for this productive vlog, I am going to try to do it weekly. So yeah, we have a few things that we have to get done over the next few days. I went to the gym this morning. I'm about to make me some breakfast and I'm going to a baseball game later. I'm going to the Phillies game. So if you are from Philly, you know what's up. Philly games are usually lit and I have never been to one, so I'm really excited to go. So we're gonna do that. But before we head out to the Phillies game later this afternoon, I have to get some work done. So I'll be getting some work done. I also need to do my hair because it is a mess. I'm actually gonna do my own crochet boho braids probably this weekend, so I have to go get the hair at some point tomorrow. So we're gonna do that. So yeah, we have a lot to do, but I'm really excited for this vlog and I hope you guys are too. But yeah, y'all, I have a lot going on. I actually just moved, so that whole process was a lot, but I'm very grateful, very happy with my new space. Work has been a lot, but you know, all good things, all good things. I can't complain, but what I can complain about is my hair. I need to get my brows done. My nails are a mess, so I think for the game tonight, I'm just gonna get some press-ons. So I'll probably go to Target this afternoon too, just to get some quick press-ons before I can actually go to the nail salon because I have a nail appointment next week. So yeah, I just really need to get my maintenance done. I might do a full maintenance vlog because I also need a facial. Like I need the whole 9. So I might make that another vlog, but we'll see. But yeah, I have a lot of good things going on. I've been stressed a little bit, but it's not like bad stress. I'm not like overly stressed. A little anxious, but not like too anxious. So, I mean, I don't know what's... All right, so currently I'm working, but I just Instacarted some press-on nails because we're about to do these, and they are like so cute. These are like my go-tos though. Like I usually get these in the oval shape, or I'll get them in like, what is it called? Like the ballerina shape, I guess. But yeah, these A1, if you need a quick like little set to do for your nails, I highly recommend those. They're very cute. Okay, so I just came back from Spread. It's like my favorite breakfast lunch spot. They sell sandwiches, but only on bagels. So they have breakfast sandwiches and lunch sandwiches. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Okay, so I got the Turkey Club on whole wheat, on a whole wheat bagel. And it just has roasted chicken, some bacon, some apple, and cheddar cheese. And it's on like this garlic aioli sauce. And it is so good. So I'm about to eat this for lunch. And then I will see you guys later for the game. I'm so tired. So I just got home. I'm about to take this makeup off my face, get in the shower, and take it down for the night. And then I will see you guys tomorrow because it's been a long day. But I'm excited to vlog with you guys tomorrow. So, bye. Good morning, you guys. It is Friday. I love Fridays. I know you guys love Fridays too. I really just woke up, like, I want to say an hour ago. I was watching a little TV. So I'm trying to get myself together a little bit because I'm about to start work. I only work for half the day today, which is amazing. And then I have to go run some errands because we have to get ourselves together. Like, I need to get these eyebrows done. I need to figure out what I want to do with my hair. I need to get a facial, so I don't know if I'll do that today or just do it another time this week, so we'll see. But yeah, I'm just really getting up. But nonetheless, it's a good day. I hope you guys have a great day as well. And if you're watching this midday or at night, I hope you guys had a wonderful day today. So yeah, I'm about to just get my little life together, start work, and yeah, like just get my day started. As far as my hair goes, I'm trying to figure out, like, I need help. What should I do with my hair? I'm trying to figure out if I should do my own boho knotless braids, which the last time I did them, I did crochet and they came out so cute. But I found a better method, so I feel like this time they're gonna come out even better. So I'm stuck between that, or if I should just do a bust down middle part, or if I should order some deep wave hair and just wear my hair deep wave because it's been so hot and I'm like really tired of like straightening and blow drying my hair. So I'm just really trying to figure out what I want to even, do. So help a girl out. Let me know in the comments below. What should I do with my hair? Like, I need to know. I need help. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys my quick fit to run errands. I have my cute silver bag with these really cute shorts that I got from H&M. They're so like comfortable, and I love the nude color because they go with anything. And then I have a regular white tee with, I don't know if you can see them, but they're my silver slides that I got that match this, that are really cute. But this is the fit. It's really chill. I'm literally just running regular errands, but yeah, I'm gonna get my eyebrows done and then do other things. So let's go.
So they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance. Just one, two step, one, two step. Now with the music is moving too fast. Slide my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say
Hey you guys, so I'm back in the house. I went to run my errands. I got my eyebrows done. As y'all can see, they look good. And just, you know, get my bathroom situated. So I'm about to do that, and then I'll cook dinner, chill for a little bit, and then I'm going to the movies tonight, like at like 9 something, to go see A Quiet Place Day 1, which I'm really excited because I loved the last 2 movies. They were really, really good. And I love Lupita Nyong'o. Like, she is amazing. She's such a good actress. So I'm really hyped to go see that with my friends. I'm not sure if I'll vlog that or not, but I don't know, we'll see. I'm also recording tomorrow for a different vlog, and I'm actually recording 2 videos tomorrow. So yeah, we're gonna chill for a little bit, make dinner, and then yeah, that's gonna be it for the day. All right, y'all, so I'm about to start on dinner, and we're also gonna make a mocktail to go along with it. So I'm really happy because I'm hungry. I wanna eat because I had a long day, so we're about to do that. So today we're making some lamb chops, some mashed potatoes, and also some green beans to go along with it. And then we're gonna make our mocktail. So we have our lamb chops. I'm gonna show you guys what I use to season mine. So I use a little bit of onion powder, some all-purpose meat seasoning. I love Tabitha Brown seasoning. It's the Sunshine by Tabitha Brown. And it has garlic, ginger, pineapple, and mango. And this tastes so good on your meats. I love it on salmon, but I just know on lamb chops it's gonna make it so, so good. I also use some hickory brown sugar seasoning to give it a really nice flavor. And then I just put a little bit of soy sauce in that, and I mix all of the seasonings together, and I mix that all together with some avocado oil because avocado oil is good for you.
Should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. Let the door say yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. I know you're trying to leave this. I see the plans for you. How I love to keep you here with me, you baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance. Don't worry about it. We just one two step. Now with the music is moving too fast.
Okay, so our lamb chops are well seasoned, so I'm about to put them in the pan, let them cook, and then I'll get started on the other sides and we can eat. So I'm gonna show you guys how well they're seasoned. Like they look so good. So I can't wait to cook them and eat them. All right, so these are cooking. I'm gonna let them cook maybe medium well, and then I'm gonna take them out and we're gonna have some dinner. So I'm making my mocktail and I use this by using organic pure cranberry juice. This is really good for your gut and it also has a lot of health benefits. And then I also use the poppy, the raspberry rosé flavor, and also water to break the bitterness of the cranberry.
Playing the victim and you still playing the picky. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I keep living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind. It's October quite plainly.